Welcome everyone to another video. I am SHADAT from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Today video about is Pocophone F1 MIUI UI 11 update. This is Pocophone F1 global version. 1st November 2019 I got MIUI 11 update on my Pocophone F1. Today I like to share you guys my using experience MIUI UI 11 Pocophone F1. So guys, start the video. You can see my Pocophone F1 running MIUI 11. At first go to setting, tap on about phone, tap on system update. But it is still running Android 9. I hope as soon as possible Android 10 come Pocophone F1. MIUI 11 my favorite feature is system-wise dark mode. At first go to setting, tap on display, tap on dark mode on, tap on dark mode off. Dark mode is very useful and very helpful for your battery saving, and you can use all the default app at dark mode. My another favorite feature is you can hide the notch new style. MIUI 10 and MIUI 11 not a big different, and this is some major update, and some more update I make another video, and today video about this. I hope you like this video and see you next time another video. Allah Hafiz.